In problem 4, we have a word problem. It says a helicopter landing pad, or a helipad, is sometimes marked with a circle inside a square so that it is visible from the air. What is the area of the shaded region of the helipad at the right? Write your answer in factored form. We'll take a look at the helicopter picture we have. We have a square and we have a circle. Step 1 is already written for us and we just need to fill it in. Find the area of the shaded region. Well, let's talk about the two things that make this up. We have a square and we have a circle. The area of a square is the side times the side, or s squared. The area of a circle is pi r squared. Let's fill in what we know. Well, the square says that it is 2x long. So that's going to be 2x times 2x, which is 2x squared. Well, if we square each one, we get 2 squared, which is 4, and x squared is x squared. Let's talk about the circle. Pi, which is just pi, r. You should notice that they labeled the radius in this picture right here as just x. So instead of writing r, let's write x squared. Well, that's just going to make it pi x squared. This is the area of the square. This is the area of the circle. No, we don't have actual values, but that's okay. We're just going to write it in terms of algebra. What are we going to do with these two? Well, we're going to take the square and we're going to subtract the circle, because that's what the shaded area is. It's the big square minus the little circle. Alright, so we'll do 4x squared minus pi x squared. Step 2 says to factor it. Well, what do you guys notice about each one? You should notice that they each have an x squared that we can pull out. Alright, well let's do that in step 3. X squared times. What happens if you pull an x squared out of 4x squared? You're left with a 4. Minus, what happens if you pull an x squared out of a pi x squared? You're left with pi. That's how you write this problem in factored form.